If you are wondering if you need a sync module for a Blink Video Doorbell, first of all, I've already tested most of the features that this device does have. For example, if I try to play the live feed of the doorbell, it will say that the event response error or information, whatever, your Blink Video Doorbell is operating in event response mode, which means certain features such as live view and two-way audio are available only in response to events such as a doorbell presses or motion alert, which in short means that it will only record if you press on a button or if the motion detection is on and it detects some motion. To experience these features anytime on demand in the app or through Alexa, connect to your home existing doorbell wiring, so you can connect your doorbell with the wiring, and then you will have those features, or pair it with a Blink Sync module. So here's the answer. So you will lose some features if you don't have the module, but you can get those features if you connect your doorbell to the doorbell wiring. So that is the answer. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.